The best Christmas gift I gave out this year was a broken drum. You can't beat it. Welcome to my Comic Book Editions Volume 177 video. I hope you're doing well. We're 750 plus subscribers strong already on the channel, so if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have your support as I head to the 1K goal. Did you get a chance to catch Comic Book Editions Volume 176? It was live last night with Comics for Thomas. He joined me and we unboxed an AOK that he sent me, full of so many great, amazing things. If you didn't get the chance to join me live last night, I hope you'll catch that on the rewind. Today's Comic Book Editions video is quite long. It might be the longest video I've uploaded to my channel so far, but I hope you'll stick through it because there's so much good stuff to show you. There's comic books, there's comic book related items, there's stuff from other countries. It was a Christmas unboxing from my dear friend, Mr. Fridge Art. So let's get into it and jump back to Christmas Day. So Mr. Fridge Art and I have been friends for quite some time. I've left the link to his Instagram in the description for this video. He doesn't do YouTube, but if you want to follow him over on IG, I know he would appreciate it. He posts a lot of fun stuff pretty often. But he's the type of friend that you can tell all your secrets to and know that they're safe, and they just accept you for who you are. That's the best type of friend to have, and that's definitely what I have in Mr. Fridge Art. And we have been friends forever. Like a very long time. Today he sent me a pretty big box here that I'm going to unbox with my Christmas presents in it. It's my understanding that there is a flow to this. They are numbered, and the last gift I'm supposed to use caution in opening. So don't rip it apart like a big savage. We'll find out what he sent after you come out of fast forward mode. Okay, we're going to start with the card. Where there is great kindness, there is great gratitude. Thank you and Happy New Year. I value your friendship and appreciate you for being there for me for these last few decades. Knowing a friend is just a text away makes me happy. Enjoy. Me too. Thank you so much. I will admit, when I first saw the card, I thought it said, "There comes great attitude." And I'm like, he knows me. I got the attitude going on. Thank you, though. So I will follow the instructions I was given. Oh, I do see some things on top, though, that aren't wrapped. And since they're not wrapped, I think I can start with those. I think that's safe. I do see numbers on other stuff, but the stuff that's not wrapped has got to be fair game, right? I've got a Kinder Egg. Should I open it? Okay, let's open it. I thought there was a toy inside. It's just the chocolate. I'm such a dork. Okay, I'm not going to eat that now, but I'm going to set that aside. Because I kind of wanted a little chocolate anyway. So I'm just going to set that aside. I am such a dork. Look at this. Got some Wonder Woman here. On the opposite side, there's some Batman. These are jelly beans. That's cool. I was not familiar with these at all. So that's really cool. Thank you. Got another one. This one has Superman. And then it looks like it's got a little flash on the back. Very nice. Yeah, it sounds like jelly beans. Oh, and we got one with Batman and one with Superman and Wonder Woman. These are cool. Yeah, I'm not familiar with these at all. Very, very nice. These are big, though. I mean, usually you think eggs like half the size of this. These are pretty big. Okay, another Kinder Egg. I'm not going to open this one. God, I'm such a dork. Oh, another Kinder Egg. Cool. More Kinder Eggs. Eggs for everyone. As a matter of fact, I am planning on going on an all-egg diet in the new year. Kinder. We got a plushie. Look at plushie Wonder Woman. Look at how awesome she is. She's got a big old smile on her face like I do. That's awesome. It's cute. I'm guessing maybe this is one of those that you get at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour store. That's what I'm guessing. I could be way off on this, but she doesn't look exactly like the ones that I've seen in the claw machines. Maybe she is a claw machine. I won a Wonder Woman in a claw machine one time. First try. It's like it was meant to be. Okay, let's set her there. Okay, and there's numbers. Let's see. Okay. That's the one I'm supposed to be very careful with. So I'm just going to set that down carefully. Oh, wow. These got to be fair game because they're not wrapped. Look at this. I didn't even know this existed. That is cool. Another little Wonder Woman mini shopping bag. That's awesome. Now this is intriguing. Look at that. Look at that. Captain America and Wonder Woman merged together. This must not be from the US. That's interesting. Interesting. And look at this. I keep holding these from side to side. You take a couple weeks off from filming videos and it's like you don't even know how to hold things anymore. Look at all the heroes on this though. That is pretty awesome. It's the same image on both sides. Love, you got Vixen on there. Love all the ladies down front. Oh, that is pretty sweet. This would be an awesome poster, too. There's just so many. Giganta, a modern Giganta. A modern-day Giganta is on here. That is pretty awesome. Got the modern Cheetah in there, too. Wow. Oh, another Wonder Woman bag. Where am I going over here? Wow. Sweet. Oh my gosh. Okay. There is more in here. I think these are the ones I'm supposed to really be careful with. So, okay, we're going to go back because I thought there was only 6 things in here, but counting those, 3, 4, 5, yeah, this would be 6, not counting the eggs. Okay, notice how I'm digging the wrapping paper. I would normally open it like Helter Skelter Maniac, but I will be, since it's Wonder Woman, there'll be a tiny amount of rippage, but enough to at least save it. I'm thinking of Funko Pop, but I'm not 100% here. I opened presents this morning and I just ripped that paper off. It is a Funko. No way. I did not even know this existed. Look at this. Black Lightning Bolt Carol Danvers, Ms. Marvel. She's called Captain Marvel. I literally had no idea this existed. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. You did good. I bet, Mr. Fridgeheart, that was tough on you, not telling me about this. Because, you know, it looks like it's a convention, limited edition convention piece. You know, the Black Lightning Bolt Ms. Marvel is my jam, as well as the red jumpsuit Donna Troy is my jam. Now I need a red jumpsuit Donna Troy Funko Pop. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. If I had known this existed, I would have bought this. And he knows that, which is why he didn't tell me. Wow. Okay, got another one. Oh, I think I was supposed to open this one first. Look at that. Directions are completely out the window. Oops. What is this? I am guessing, because there's two of these, one to open, one to use. It looks like a DC Superheroes Advent Calendar of chocolates. This is the first Advent calendar I've ever had my entire life, believe it or not. And Mexican, I'm guessing? From Mexico? That's cool. I really like the art here. I'm not, you know, it looks like it's stock art, but it's stock art that I'm not familiar with. Wow. Thank you. Here's the back for you. Sorry that you're getting the O-ring reflection. Nice, and two of them. It's pretty awesome. Okay, I think these are the ones that I'm supposed to be careful of, which is probably a good thing he has packaged them the way he has, because I do see a crack in some plastic. But I don't believe that's the gift. So I go here first. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she has just packed this thing full of stuff. I love this little... I actually didn't know I needed something like this until right now. When I'm like, I needed a little storage container like this. Okay, got this to open. Not looking, not looking. Okay, 7. I think I'm back on track now. After getting momentarily deterred, I think I'm back on track now. I know what this is, and this is so funny. I literally was thinking of this today. It's the official DC superhero joke book. Because I want to tell you, it's hard sometimes getting those intros to my videos. It's tough sometimes. Fuel has just been added to the fire. Oh my gosh. I'm just looking at the jokes on the back, and you're just going to have to wait for future videos, because I got a feeling we are going to go through all of these. Oh, and it's got all that vintage 70 Bronze Age and Copper Age artwork that I just love, the Garcia Lopez stuff. Just to go through and read that, that's awesome. I recognize this cover image as coming from a Super Friends treasury, but there definitely has been some additions to it. And maybe this isn't the original piece, but it's modeled after this because Batgirl and Cyborg weren't in the originals, that's for sure. I needed the joke book. Thank you. It's funny. People are very split on my channel. Some love the intro with the humor, and some just hate it. The ones that love it all the way, and the ones that hate it all the way. Very polarized. This feels like a trade, perhaps? No, it's a bunch of comic books. It is a bunch of comic books. Let's take care of some of this tape. Let's see what we got. Let me set this over here for now. Let's see what we got. I don't know what end is right. Ooh, and he's got this, so I can't really figure out at all. Group I. Oh, group 1, group 2. Okay. Group 1. I'm not looking. Oh, Captain America. I've never seen this cover before. It's a Perez cover. Oh, nice. I wonder if this is from this past summer when Marvel did that whole Perez tribute and they used some of the convention sketches that he did to turn those into covers. I'm wondering if this isn't from that. That's amazing, beautiful artwork. That is amazing. Wow. I'm not sure what issue it is. Captain America 1? Legacy, what does that say? Legacy 761, I think it says. Cool. Have not peeked down. I know it's face up, but I have not peeked down. Ooh, we got Thor. Yep, more Perez. This has to be from this past summer. You know, I do remember looking at a lot of the solicits for this, but I don't remember these covers. I remember a couple covers, but I don't remember these. Very, very nice. And this is Thor issue 1. Looks like 762 legacy number, I think. Nice. And Iron Man. Wow. Invincible Iron Man issue 8. That's sharp. Nice. Some more tape to cut. There's one book facing up, but I'm not looking at it. Oh my gosh, okay, I've seen 2 of them. But this is Supergirl, obviously. I'm not sure which issue it is off the top of my head, but I do remember seeing this cover. This looks like this would be like one of the convention exclusives. That's what it looks like. Is it Supergirl it's not Woman of Tomorrow, is it? Or is it just that one Supergirl one-shot? Didn't they do a Supergirl one-shot a few months back? I bet it's this, which is cool because I've been wanting to read that, if it is that, in fact. Nice. I saw this book too when I saw Supergirl at the same time, and I read this digitally. And I'm happy to have a hard copy of this, World's Finest Teen Titans #1. I was just saying, red jumpsuit Donna Troy is my jam. And there she is. I love that this was a period piece setting. This series was a lot of fun. And I'm happy to have a physical hard copy of it too. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Looks poster worthy. Nice pinup poster worthy type cover. I didn't peek at this one. What do we have? looks like Flash, but I don't know what this is off the top of my head. I'm very intrigued. I'm going to have to do some research on this to figure out what it is. So I'm sure on your screen already, I have done the research and have updated that for you. Interesting, though. Never saw this cover in my life, but it's cool. Looks like another convention exclusive. I'm thinking with the little individually bagged the way it is. Wow. What's this? Alpha Flight issue 1. I honestly have no idea what's going on in the cover with this. I've never seen this before in my life either. I really did enjoy the Alpha Flight Volume 1. I have several consecutive issues of Alpha Flight and was buying that when John Byrne was doing that back in the Bronze Age. So I like Alpha Flight. I don't know if that's a clock. I was going to say it looked like a cookie, but I look at it, it's a clock. Nice, thank you. Not looking. Oh, Elvira. Nice. That would be awesome to get this signed. Not sure what book it is. Once again, I'll update the screen after I've done the research. That's Elvira, though. My heart's on fire for Elvira. You oldsters know what I'm talking about. You youngins have no idea what I'm saying. Giddy up, ba-doom, ba-ba-doom, ba-ba-mow-mow. Oh, Batman and Spawn. Nice. I don't have this cover. I did get one in a Five Below pack, which you might remember I showed in a previous comic book editions video, but I don't have this cover. Nice. There were so many variant covers for this thing too, and incentive covers. There was like a 666 incentive cover. I couldn't imagine trying to chase that, being able to afford that. Thank goodness they never did anything like that with Wonder Woman, and DC don't get the idea to do that either. And the next book, Flash Special Edition #1. I'm wondering if this wasn't a movie premium, you know, that the theaters gave out with the movie. That's what I'm wondering. That's cool, though. I remember I did see the Flash movie in a theater, and I asked the theater if they had any promos, you know, poster, comic book, anything like that, and they said they didn't get anything like that to give away. So I'm wondering if this was a different theater chain or something. You know, all this is speculation right now because I'm just learning that I am now the owner of these awesome items for the first time. Nice. Thank you. And a Batman. Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. Yep. Also includes an all-new Justice League story. I'd never seen this cover before either, but it's pretty spectacular, I think. I think that is pretty neat. Thank you so much. I love that. I've got to get out. I think I've got to get out to California and do that Warner Brothers studio tour. I think I would just enjoy that so much. Plus, they have a big old Wonder Woman statue out there, too. Get my picture made with her. Wow. And we're not done yet. I have to move some things just down just a little bit. I almost forgot there still was something else in this. I am full of gratitude and I'm really just stopping for a second because I realize what I'm feeling at this moment. And I'm having a difficult time really expressing how I'm feeling. But it's one of those moments where, at least for me, I don't know. I just can't explain it, but there's something going on right now, but it's all good. What do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? Something Marvel. Look at this. This is like some type of a facsimile comic book. What is that? What's that say? Stitch-bound book. It looks like a foreign edition variant to me. Pretty nice. Pretty awesome, I think. Wow. Thank you. I always thought it was funny, too, that in Avengers issue 4, they got a brand new member. And in Justice League of America issue 4, they got a brand new member. Same issue. And there's a couple other coincidences numerically between the two titles as well. So this had a little bit of, you can see a little bit of damage to the plastic, but hopefully what's inside survived. I am making a mess and I don't care. What do we got here? I have no idea what this is. I recognize, what is that? I recognize Batgirl, Batman, and Flash. Oh, when you look at it the right way, it's Green Lantern. It's Green Lantern's power ring. Duh. One time someone gave me a superhero button, and I'm looking at this thing and I'm like, I have no idea what this button is. And I just kept looking at it and I'm like, I don't get it. And you know what it was? It took me about 2 or 3 minutes to realize it was a close-up of Power Girl's costume, the little cutout on the chest area with the rope going across. That's what it was. I'm such a dummy. Oh, we got, oh, look at that. Got a keychain here. Look at that. It's not staying very well for the camera. But we got Superman, Batman, and Wonder Woman front and center with the bullets and bracelets going on. That is so cute. I like that. Okay. These are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm starting to think that maybe I was supposed to start here. I bet I was. I bet I have screwed all of this up for him, and he is so mad at me right now. What's he going to do now? I thought, see, the problem is I thought he said there was 6 things in here, so that's when I got all screwed up numbering-wise. What do we have here? What is this? What is? I don't know what this is. It's cool. I just don't know what it is. Whatever it is, this is the front of it. And that's the back. I'll have to do some investigating on. There's a lot of them. Look at the stack of them. There is a lot of them. Thank you. It looks fun. Two is on bottom. Oh my gosh, this gift just keeps going. I was not this good to deserve this much this past year. I think that I might have a better idea now. I'm wondering if those aren't some type of stamp stickers or something. And then these are the books that you put them in? Could that be it? Oh. This is making more sense. Yeah, these are like little trading cards. And then these are the album to put the cards into. It all makes sense now. So I'm guessing these are like a blind pack, and you don't know what card you're getting until you open it up. That makes sense. Okay, that's cool. Now there's this, which I'm wondering if these aren't some type of rarer cards or chase cards or something. And I got 2 of these. Nice. And I love, like I was talking about before, that Garcia Lopez stock art is all through these books. That's cool. I mean, just flipping through them and looking at that artwork just takes me back to a happy, happy time. Here. Wow, they destroyed this pretty good. We've got 12 posters, 12 marble posters, which is awesome because they're all vintage. On the back, it's showing me some of the ones that there are. And just initially from looking at it, there's some great covers here. Like that Black Widow is really good, but I think the She-Hulk will probably be my favorite, which of course is an homage cover too. Good stuff there, thank you. And then, looks like I have a DC equivalent of it as well, with 12 posters on. Nice. And those are the posters on the back. We know I'm going to pick Wonder Woman as my favorite. And I will pick, there's Wonder Woman's in 3 different ones. I will pick the solo Wonder Woman, which also was a comic book cover. The one down here. I'll pick that as my favorite so far, but I'll enjoy spending time looking through all of them. Wow. Mr. Fridgeart did a lot of traveling abroad this year, and I can tell it has paid off in my holiday gifts. Gosh. I'm sure he's just furious at me for not opening this up the right way. I was like, what is this? Wonder Woman face mask. That's cool. I knew that there were some that existed, and I knew that like on Etsy and stuff, people made some, but these look like official ones. And there are 3 packs with 3 different ones in each pack. Very nice. Thank you. Nice. Number 4 is tiny. Looks like we have some trading cards. 2-pack of trading cards with Shazam on the front. Very nice. Thank you. Is that Cersei behind him? Very well could be. Thank you. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude. I think we have come to the very last thing. You sent me so much, Mr. Fridgeart. That's... Okay, and he said, be very careful when I open this. It's Bugs Bunny. Tissue paper. Superman. Oh my gosh. I know what this is. jacket. Look at that. And then the back. Wow. I love this. I love everything. You never cease to surprise me. I don't even know what to say. I'm happy. I'm full of gratitude and appreciative of you thinking about me. I'd be styling when I wear this. I love the small Superman there. Oh my gosh, I love that. Everything survived. It got through. Well, with the exception of that one plastic tote. But everything else survived and made it through here. I just feel like I'm going to sit and not say anything and just kind of soak it in. You know, that's probably what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. Thank you again, though. I know for you watching on the YouTube channel, you're like, wrap it up already. There still is one more thing I want to show you. Before I do, I'm just going to take a moment to say, leave me a comment below and let me know your favorite thing out of everything that I showed in today's video. If you have any of this stuff, if you've been looking for any of this stuff, if Santa brought you any of this stuff, I'd love dialoguing about all of that with you in the comment section below. Of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this video with someone that you think might be of interest of it or might enjoy my channel and might subscribe as well. I would appreciate it too. Give the video a thumbs up, a heart, a like. Mr. Fridge Art, thank you so much. There's one last thing that I just want to show that was not a Christmas present. It's something that I just bought for myself. Got me the Wonder Woman 2024 calendar that came off of Amazon for me, appropriately enough. And I didn't have a 2023 calendar at all in my home. And now at least pretty much all the walls are as bare as this one behind me that I know drives some of you crazy. But at least I have a calendar to throw up on the wall right now with some great vintage Wonder Woman images too. Some more vintage than the others. Thank you again, Mr. Fridge Art, for your friendship and for thinking of me in this Christmas. I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Thanks for being my friend. To everyone else, you made it to the end of this YouTube video, and I appreciate that so much too. I hope you have a safe, successful, healthy, and wonderful rest of your week. Don't forget about the back issue of the week YouTube short, because we're still cruising through with those on my YouTube channel, and I look forward to visiting with you again next week. Take care.